Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video we can continue export as a Excel in a students. So we need to put here like a export button inside student list, same as we did inside last two video like a collection report and attendance reports. So I can show you inside attendance report we did in last video. So same thing we can do inside a student side. Suppose school need to export is all the student as Excel sheet, so we can do it, and also he can do it like a filter wise. Okay, and you are new in this channel, otherwise you in this series, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can get always notification what I am uploading, because I am always uploading like good videos, so you can learn something new. Okay, so I hope you can enjoying for this video also. So let's start now and I can show you how to make. So just you need to go to like resources, inside you to go to views, inside you to go to admin, inside you can see it like a student folder, inside you can see it also like list.blade.php. Once you click on the list.blade.php, so the file is open. After just need to go down and we need to start a form, same thing we did in last video, but I can explain proper way this reason, because this is the student. Last one I will show you is like a attendance form, action, methods, post. Okay, now we need to put here like one buttons, class, btn primary, and we can provide here is like a button name like a export Excel. Okay, and we have already done like a first video, like we are starting the export Excel. So first video I already show you how we can make like a install plugin, means how to we can make a install plugin. Suppose do you want to install the plugin for the Excel, so you can install. Suppose I already installed the plugin inside a composer.json file, inside I can show you, so you can see it here, met website /excel and with 3.1 version. And after you need to configuration inside app.php, so you can see it here I have made like a mat website and Excel service provider, and also we have created one alias. Okay, so this is the already done, so I can't show you again and again. So you need to check like above video, means like old video, and I already provide inside our description list, description detail inside you can find out this video, so don't worry about that. Okay, so here we can make like a button export Excel, and just you can use like a style float, right? So his button is going to right side. Just go to back again, and you can see it like export Excel is going to right side, no issue now. Okay, now we need to use like all the hidden fields, so just you can click on the search, so you can find out all the parameter. Just copy all the parameter and you can put it here, so we can do it like a quickly. Input type hidden, because we need to use all the parameter hidden. Name is equal to last name, so just put here last name, and value request get name, same like we did like old video, same thing we are doing here, but you can see this video so you can understand proper way. Okay, so you can see it here like a request get, so we are using hidden field here. Now you just need to make a copy paste and you can change like all place name and value, so it's very quick. Last name, so last name you can change here. After is the email, let's cut so we know. Okay, this one done. Okay, next one is the email, so email we have done. Admission number, so admission number here. Roll numbers, gender, and let's copy like remaining part. Okay, now it's going to class, so just put here class. Next one is a caste, so one by one you can do all. This is the reasons. Okay, so whatever you can make in filtering, so filter wise also work. Okay, blood groups, so blood groups, status, now admission number, still is remaining date, so let's make it date now. So all is done now. Just remove the above line because you can see it all is done, and we can remove the all the space like extra space, so look like better. Here is no space because you can see it like this big number, this reasons. Okay, so just go to back again and refresh the page, and you can make it spec element, so you can see it inside like all the hidden fields in the form. You can see it here, you see. Suppose I can search your name like a taste, and I make it like a filtering here, and after I can go to like export button inside spec element wise, so you can name inside value, you can see it like a text. So this is the working very well, so no issue. Okay, let's make it resets, so it's a showing like a proper way. Okay, now we need to create a one URL, and this URL again we need to export the data. So simple. First of all, we need to make here like CRF field token. So go to anyone, just go to like add.blade.php and just copy this line and put here. So this is the CRF token work is done. Now we need to create like our URL, so just copy and you can put it here like a URL, and you can type like admin/student, so export Excel. Okay, so new URL also done. Just copy, and now you need to go to routes. Inside you need to go web.php, and you can find out like here you can see list. So just you can create a new with post method. So copy any routes whatever do you want to like, and you can change here. You can see I have done proper way. Now I need to go student controller because we have done routes, and just go to student controller. So app http controller, inside you can see it like a student controllers. Okay, here is a listing there, downloading there, everything. So let's make it first function. So suppose I need to use like here, so I can do it quickly this reason. Whatever place do you want to like, you can put it. Okay, export Excel, and here I can make request $request. So let's print all the data, so we know which data we are getting here. So just save these files, and we can click on the export button. So let's go back again, refresh the page, and I will click on the export Excel. So just I click here, so you can see it all data found null. Suppose you are filtering anything, so you can find out here data. So everything working very well inside a controller. Now we need to create our export buttons like last time we have created like two, like export attendance, export collect fees. So this time we need to create like export students, so like this export student. So this function means this class we need to create like this export file we can create. So first we need to open our terminal. So open your terminal. First you need to go to your project like a schools.com. After right click on and go to git, whatever terminal you are using, you can just go. I don't know what I did here. So footfit images, let's make control jets. Okay, it's perfect, no issue. Okay, because I don't know what I did, so it's whatever did before is same. Just make a control F control Z, so whatever did, this is the go. So don't worry about that, this is I will check my end. Okay, it is not about like a school management system project inside, is like a different one, this reasons. Let's go back again and press Ctrl F5, so we can see it any error, no any errors. Okay, now we need to write a one our commands like PSP artisan make export. What need to export, like a export student. So just you can make export student, and after you need to press the enter. So it's taking few seconds, and is export the files. Means creating new file, is not exporting, is creating new files. So just wait few seconds, so you can see it here, because this is the first time we open this region. You can see it proper file path he provided and is done. Okay, and here you can see it like export students. So this one we need to declare here first. Just simple, just copy above one and paste here, and after you can change here, and also you can change here like a file name, exports like a folder name. You can see it, this is the folder app inside exports, inside you can see it like export students. So this is the also done. Now we need to also use here like use Excel. This is the alias we already did inside a comping inside dot paste, like comping inside you can see it app.php. Like here I can show you comping app.php. So you can see it here, Excel. This is the alias I am using directly here. Okay, so this is the done. Now we need to create our function. How we can do it in export system? So simple, you just need to go to like any other, like attendance we have done. So just go to attendance and you can find and copy. So simple, you can copy for this line and you can put it here. And after you need to change only like attendance to export Excel, sorry, export student. So this is the also done perfect way. And also you can write like a student, whatever do you want to write your name, so you can do it here. I just write like a different name like student, so is a done. Okay, so here is also done. And we are done inside a yes, everything's good now. I don't want to explain like Excel. So this is the Excel download and export students, means we have already created inside a file, and after I provide a name of the files. Okay, so this is the done. Let's go inside like export students, and here we need to write our code so we can understand, get this data. Okay, so it's very simple, it's not like big deal. Same thing we can do inside like other model did. But first of all we need to check which, like which controller against we are getting the data. So you can see it here like a get record. So we have already done like users models. Let's go to users models, and inside we can search like a get student. So you can see it here, we have already done like all the filter with we have done like how to get a student. So we don't want to change anything here, just we can change like a pagination. I can show you, don't worry about that, how we can do it. Okay, so let's start here like export Excel. Now this is the like function already done inside user model like a get students. So simple, just put here our records. So we need to put here our records. So before we need to open like other export files, so we can do it quickly. Okay, just go to export and open anyone like a export collection also you can open. And just you can go here and not go export student, and carefully you can copy paste. Okay, I just copy form validation, sorry, form collection with mapping and with heading. So just you can change here direct like this. And after we need to copy like 2 files, also you can copy like 3, last 3. So with mapping, form collection and with header, and here we need to use like a users model because we are need to get the data inside users. You can see it here. So this is the done now, no issue. Okay, now we need to provide like heading and we need to provide like a mapping. So just copy all, otherwise you can copy all like this. You can copy all and you can remove this one, we don't want to need now. Okay, very carefully watch here our heading, here our database name, database like a database inside we have store inside a table inside like users table inside whatever information store we need to show here. And here we are getting our users data. So let's make it first, remove the pagination, I don't want to use right now, so I just make comment out. And here I can change like whatever function here there, like a get users get student. So we can change here like a users get student. Okay, because we have already done inside users models, you can see it here, I already show you, you can see it like, let's show you slowly. So you can see it here. Okay, as I said, I already explained, so but you are following the first series so you can easily understand. Okay, I will try to make it description inside this link how we did, so don't worry about that. Okay, so this is the done. Now we need to change all the value for this one, and also we need to change for this value. So just go to again resources, inside need to go to like a student, inside need to go to list.blade.php. Just go down and we can copy all part, like this is the part you can copy and go here like export students. We don't want to use, so just closing. Okay, and put here, and just you can make live. Okay, first one is ID, let's make some zoom out so I can show you proper way. Second, profile pic we can't do it inside Excel sheet, so just remove, we don't want to need profile pics. So student name, so we can change here like student name. After we need to do like parents name, I just copy paste proper way, this reason I am doing like this is the shortcut way. Suppose do you want to following any other project, so this is the like showing proper way, understand, like look like you can do it quickly, you can see it, I'm just copy paste very quick. these reasons, otherwise no any reason. Class, same thing, the genders. After we need to show like date of birth, caste. You can do it very quick, otherwise we can do it like this also. I can show you. Suppose we need to do created dates, and we can remove these ones, and you can copy this line, means this is the, and you can put it here every place. This is the all shortcut, otherwise you can use like a replace function, so is possible, but I just showing like this. Like replace function inside, you can do it very quick. Okay, now we going to pass like every place comma. Okay, last one we don't want to need, so remove all, because this is the done. You can see it, id, parent name, email, admission number, class, gender, all is done. Height, width, status, and created dates. Now same thing we can do is like a mapping, because this function already done. So just go to like student list again, and just go down, value, we are using already value variable, you can see it. So value, and here is the id already pass. Let's see, next one is a listing inside like name. So name and last name we can use direct like this, name and last name. So student name already we have passed, so just remove this ones, so you can see it. And also we don't want to need like a old one, so just remove all. Okay, so let's go back again, and we can copy one by one. So same is the parent's name, so just you can copy and paste like this, and you can change here like a parent name, and also this variable also name is a parent's name, and after we need to conquer like parent last name, so you can use it like this, parent last name. After we can declare for this variable here like parent name. Okay, so first one is a like a id, student name, parent name. Now we do like a email, always available like email, so just copy paste. You can copy all gender wise, just copy and paste here. Now we need to remove one by one. Okay, so this is the remove. Email also done. Whatever do you want to like, do you want to type, so you can type. Do you want to remove like this, I am doing like this, so also possible. I just doing like quick way, so we don't want to waste of time for this, like it's going to long video. It's better we can do it like a shortcut way. Okay, so gender one is done. After you need to pass like a comma every place. Okay, so this is the done. Let's go to after. We need to show date of birth, because we have made a condition. So same thing, you can copy paste like this, and you can put it here, and here I can start, and we can show it here. Just put here, and here we need to create a new variable like a date of birth, and this date of birth we need to also declare above like this, and we can pass it here. Okay, so it's done. Now just save these files and just go back again. Now we need to show like caste and mobile number and all, so just copy and paste here also, and we can do it same like before I show you, so we can do it quickly. Just removing all thing one by one. Okay, so mobile number also done. Now admission, blood group, height, weight, and status, and created date is remaining, so let's sort out also. So admission number also same thing we can do it, means admission date we need to do same thing like date of birth we have did. So just you can do it like this. So here also we need to create a one variable like a admission date, and we can declare inside same like we have did like a date of birth. This is the carefully watch, because this is the like a best part how we can implement inside a condition wise works. This reason I am showing proper way. You can see it here like a, first I have made a condition, first I have created a variable, after I have made a condition, after a condition inside I have a store. You can see it value, so this is the value we are getting here. Okay, so this is the done also. Now we need to available last part, so like a blood group, height, weight, we can copy paste same thing we did before. So just removing, and also you can remove. Okay, so blood group, height, weight is done. Let's go to now status. So just copy for the status work, and you can copy and paste here, and you can provide is a one variable name like a status. And after you need to pass here. Now last one remaining like created dates. So just go back again and you can copy for this line and put it here. So also it is a created date also done. Okay, so everything is done now, and every condition wise I will show you. So just is a remaining testing, and after we need to do like a pagination works. Like a, we don't want to use here inside export sheet, export Excel is a pagination. So save this files and just go back again. First of all we can check like all comma is a proper way, because I don't want to generate error and we need to fix. So let's show you. Yes, 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 it is good now. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page, and just click on the export Excel. So error generated, so 100% we need to solve, because I think is the error there. This reason is taking time, otherwise the impossible, not error, because lots of data there, this reason taking time. Sorry about that. So let's open these files and we can see it. Wow, amazing, every data I can get, you see. So everything's proper way. Okay, I think the one thing is a mistakes. I think student name, parents name, email, admission numbers, class, so it's going to part-time. So let's see something issue there. Like first one is the ID, student name, parent name, emails, admission numbers, class, genders. Okay, we have forget to roll number here, admission number after. Sometimes generate the issue, so it's simple, just put it like this, roll number. Okay, so just you can add a like comma here. Okay, done. Let's go back again and we can save these files and just go back again and click on the export buttons. This is very simple. Now export buttons, just click here, open. I think now proper, you can see it now, everything is showing very well. Let's make a filter wise, so I can need only 14. So let's search this email only student, because this is the all testing data. So YouTube privacy policy wise I'm working, so always using the testing data exports. So just we need to get here one record. So this also works, so don't worry. Okay, so let's remove the pagination inside a like a export system, means export you doing Excel, so we don't want to show is a pagination. So simple, just you need to pass like new parameter here, like a remove pagination, and need to go like a get student inside a users model, and here you can pass like by default is equal to 0. Suppose you can find out here 1, because we have passed here like by default is a 0. Suppose you can find out here 1, so is meaning about we need to remove the pagination. So just go down and you can make it here condition, if is not empty, so we need to remove the pagination, otherwise it's empty, so we don't want to remove the pagination. So it's very simple, so just copy and paste works. So this is the we can declare here, and suppose I can found the one, so I need to use here get. So this is the done. Okay, now everything's done, no any issue. Let's go back again and I can make here one pagination. Right now I can make a reset filters and I can do it here like a 1. Okay, so just refresh the page, so you can see it like a pagination, but we need to export all the data. Just to click on the export Excel and you can go inside, so you can see it here like all data, because without pagination, because the Excel sheet inside is impossible to do pagination, you know me, no, like how I can change. Okay, so this is the pagination wise you can see it, Excel sheet inside you can see it directly. So let's make control z, whatever before there we can do it. I think we can make it like 40, 20 is very small in pagination, so let's make it 40. After whatever do you want to, like you can do it. Okay, so I think it's all done, how to make a like export, which is a filtering work, and how we can store inside Excel sheet, and I show you very well. I hope you can enjoy. Suppose do you have any question, So please comment out, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. And next video we can do it another one, like whatever we can like. I can like this the expert system in other phase, so I can do it also, and otherwise you can do it your end. Okay, so I hope you can enjoy, and thank you for watching.